Introducing the all-new Infinicore P4. Your life shouldn't stop when your devices do. That's why Infinicore is excited to bring you the all-new P4, the next generation in wireless charging. P4 is comprised of 3 unique components: the plug, the hub, and the mobile. The mobile can reach 50% charge in just 4 minutes through patent-pending Insta-Charge technology, faster than any other wireless charger in the world, even surpassing wired USB-C power delivery charging speeds. Wherever you are, and whatever you need it for, the P4 is designed with the mobile user in mind. With its unique modular structure and 6 USB ports, the P4 is your all-in-one charging solution. With MagSafe compatibility and 100-watt GaN technology, it's capable of charging everything from your AirPods to your laptop. As part of the Infinicore product ecosystem, the Wally Grip seamlessly integrates with the P4, making the transition from handheld to charging simple and secure. So whether you need it for work or play, the P4 is built to get you back to doing faster.
Ostrich Pillow presents Go for ultimate neck comfort and rest. When sitting for a long period of time in a plane, train, home. Made of high-quality memory foam to offer perfect support and comfort. The Velcro closure offers a perfectly adjustable fit. Its unique 360-degree ergonomic shape is fully adaptable to any neck size and proportion. The outer sleeve is made out of skin-friendly stretchable fabric and removable for machine washing. Thanks to its ultra-portable and compact design, it compresses up to 60% of its size to fit into its travel bag. Ergonomic and comfortable, it's time you use your Go. Go, the premium travel pillow. By Ostrich Pillow. Self-care matters.
Hot coffee. It's what we all wake up to. Today's premium coffee mugs keep your coffee hot, very hot, maybe too hot. So hot that you burn your mouth testing the temperature while waiting to enjoy your coffee. This is BURNOUT, the temperature-regulating travel mug. Like your coffee mug, BURNOUT has a vacuum chamber that keeps your coffee hot. But BURNOUT features a second interior chamber filled with HeatZorb, a wax-like bio-based substance that is specially calibrated to quickly absorb the heat from your coffee until it reaches optimal drinking temperature. We call this Drink Now technology, as it takes only a few minutes before your coffee is ready to drink. Then, the absorbed heat is stored and used to keep your coffee in the same, perfectly hot, drinkable temperature range for several hours. Watch this demonstration. In just a few minutes, the coffee in the BURNOUT temperature regulating mug reaches a drinkable temperature, while the coffee in the coffee mug is still far too hot to drink. In BURNOUT, the coffee stays at drinkable temperature while the temperature of the coffee in the other mug still has not entered the drinkability zone. Once the temperature of the coffee in the regular mug reaches drinkability, it falls through the zone quickly, meaning you either have to reheat it or drink lukewarm coffee. BURNOUT was developed by a group of real rocket scientists who were tired of burning their mouths on hot coffee. So they applied their heat transfer knowledge gained in cooling jet engines to make sure your coffee is at the perfect drinking temperature right away and for hours. The BURNOUT mug is made of premium 18/8 stainless steel, has a screw-on lid that minimizes heat loss, features an easy drink slide closure, and is dishwasher safe. So don't do the lip dance and burn your mouth as you check the temperature of your coffee. Enjoy your ready-to-drink coffee right away and for hours with a BURNOUT temperature-regulating coffee mug. Fight the fire, keep the heat with BURNOUT.
We moved in last week and we absolutely love it.
So what do you think of the new digs?
It's amazing.
Right? So much better than before. More comfortable, safer, easier to clean, multiple entrances.
No!
Oh yeah?
Yeah, plus we bought this ridiculously comfortable mattress. I had an accident on it.
Happens all the time.
I know, but I thought that she would be angry, and then it turns out cleanup was a snap.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
Yeah, and the best part is, when you're ready to move, you just fold it down and go. Easy. You guys should really think of upgrading too.
You know, I think we...
Hey! 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 Hey!
Don't you and your dog deserve better too? Hi, I'm Zell, the co-founder and CEO of Digs. Like you, we're obsessed with dogs and want great looking, easy to use, and well-designed products. So we created Rebel, the best dog crate ever. From food to collars, we buy our pets the very best. So why do we continue to put them in this? Standard dog crates are ugly, hard to use, impossible to store and transport, and worst of all, they can be unsafe. The Digs Rebel dog crate is designed to be as easy to use as it is on the eyes. It has 3 doors for easy access, a pull-out tray for comfortable cleaning, and a puppy divider, so Rebel can grow with your pup. We are also launching Snooze, an orthopedic memory foam mat designed to fit perfectly into your Rebel crate. Made from the same foam found in the best baby mattresses, this water-resistant crate mat has a soft, tear-resistant outer shell because, well, you know. And while it looks great in your home, Rebel's revolutionary collapsing mechanism makes storage and transportation a breeze. Because when pet products fit effortlessly into your home and life, you can focus on what matters most, your dog. We've put a lot of research and work into making the world's best dog crate. Now we need your support to bring it to market. If not for us, then for them. Well, them. Support our Kickstarter and help the crate revolution begin.
The makers of the world's first battery-powered portable solar fridge freezer brings you the new Lion Cooler Mini. The all-in-one mini refrigerator freezer is the ultimate van and truck companion. The Lion Cooler Mini neatly fits within the center console of your van, truck, or RV and features a lid that conveniently opens to both driver and passenger. Plus, the magnetic cover reveals a deep cup holder for even more on-the-road convenience. The Lion Cooler Mini keeps your food and beverages icy cold without ice. Iceless designs are the way of the future. Avoid condensation, soggy foods, and enjoy a delicious sandwich or salad and a cold drink at the park, beach, or anywhere you travel. The revolutionary multifunctional battery was designed so you can charge your laptop, camera, smartphone, or drone while the battery is inside your cooler. Remove the battery, and now it transforms into a portable power bank. Stay on the move with 12 hours of consistent refrigeration. Easily recharge your cooler 3 ways: directly into your vehicle's power socket, a home wall outlet, or directly into an ACO Power solar panel. Keep your cooler running 24/7 with a solar panel on a long drive or camping trip. The lightweight, compact, and wireless design makes the Lion Cooler Mini easy to transport. The integrated storage compartment makes a safe place to store your phone, keys, and wallet. Need an extra cooler for frozen food? The Lion Cooler Mini features a wide temperature setting, from cool to a freezing -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooler's smart panel allows you to adjust the temperature directly on the display or from the app on your smartphone. The Lion Cooler Mini is the ultimate travel companion for your van, truck, or RV, designed to make your next road trip, camping, and tailgating experience so much better.
It is powered by a battery.
It is driven by a true rotary compressor. It is the world's most revolutionary portable air conditioner. It is the Zero Breeze Mark II. In 2014, we conceived the idea of making a true battery-powered portable air conditioner. The technical challenges were massive, and it was considered almost impossible. But in 2016, we turned that into reality. Now, after 3 years of intense R&D, we're back with a more powerful, completely redesigned Zero Breeze Mark II to change the game again. The Mark II has major upgrades applied inside and out. With our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave frequency controlled rotary compressor, the cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with an all-new dual-hose design. With the newly equipped centrifugal fan, both the front and rear outlet have received a significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. Zero Breeze Mark II has also expanded its features. With the newly added sleep mode, it keeps monitoring the surrounding temperature and it keeps you in a comfortable temperature all the time. On a hot and humid summer day out, dehumidifying is as important as cooling. We've added a dedicated dehumidifier mode this time. With the combination of both, you can always stay cool and dry. We've also redesigned the battery. It can be attached to the main unit in seconds. With a whopping 630 watt-hour capacity, it may keep the Zero Breeze Mark II going for 3 to 5 hours or the entire night if sleep mode is activated. The battery is now equipped with 2 USB Type-A, a 12-volt DC, and a new Type-C at the front. Your phone, laptop, and other devices are all covered. In the past 3 years, we've kept listening, researching, and improving, and we sincerely thank you for your trust, your patience, passion, and feedback. This time, we are working with one of the world's most advanced AC manufacturers to bring you the world's best portable battery-powered AC. Since its incarnation, it has overcome countless doubts and obstacles, and it has since become more powerful, more efficient, and more user-friendly. And it is Zero Breeze Mark II. Thank you for supporting us. Together, we make the world a little cooler.
Cover, hook, go. The Gladiator Cargo Net restraint system eliminates your chances of losing cargo by keeping your loads covered and secured, reducing risk of hefty fines and possible lawsuit. The Gladiator Cargo Net is the toughest cargo net on the market, extremely durable and easy to use. The Gladiator's integrated mesh fabric prevents snags when covering your load, making cargo securement a one-person operation. The Gladiator Net is a benchmark certified restraint system featuring multiple attachment points for versatility that will easily accommodate small, large, and odd-shaped loads. Available in different sizes for multiple applications including trucks, trailers, and roof racks. Each net comes with 4 easy-to-use hardware attachment straps and a heavy-duty storage bag. So please safeguard your load with the Gladiator Cargo Net. For more information and additional attachment hardware options, go to gladiatorcargonet.com. Get your cargo safely covered today. Gladiator Cargo Nets. Cover, hook, go.
Finally. Travel smarter when you use the luggage scale by Greater Goods. And know that every purchase you make from Greater Goods helps support our charity partners like Love 146 and the Global Orphan Project.